Hi, my name is Mark Lennox and I'm co-founder of onlymarketingjobs.com, and I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to network to find a job. The first thing you do before you go to any event is to think, what do I want to achieve out of this event and how am I going to achieve that? Having a strategy is the key to success, basically. And you split the event into three parts: before the event, during the event, and after the event. And the first stage I want to talk to you about is what you can do before an event. Well, there's quite a few things that you can do. One of the first things is to instigate a place where you can open up a conversation online, perhaps within a LinkedIn group, almost like an introduce yourself type of a thread, by going through and saying, hey, my name's Mark Lennox, this is what I am, this is what I do, and this is what I'm hoping to achieve, and I'm looking to meet people because of this reason, can really set things up and can really break the ice, so that actually when you do get to the event, you're aware of people, you're able to have good conversations, and you just feel a little bit more confident. The second tip is utilising social media. So you definitely want to find out and make sure that the event is covered on Twitter, and if it's not, then try to instigate some Twitter activity. You obviously need to make sure that any kind of introduce yourselves or comments or connecting with anyone is done via the hashtag, which will obviously keep all the event details in line. So you know, if it's not there, then start one. And the kind of activity that you want to do on Twitter is, again, just you know, who's going to this event, what are you looking to achieve. You absolutely want to follow the people, and then, you know, if you choose to unfollow or disconnect after the event, well, that's up to you, but it's a good little bit of buzz and it's a little bit of self-promotion beforehand. The other very key point that I would always say before going to an event is to research the type of event and the type of audience. If you do that, that way you're going to fully understand you know, the best way of portraying what it is that you want to achieve and the way that you want to achieve it. So like I said, those are some basic but pretty crucial tips that very few people don't necessarily do, and it's absolutely essential. So like I said, prepare, research, and create that activity, and that'll get yourself in a very good position to have a great event. So there's a couple of tips, and we'll be discussing the next tips in the next video. Thank you.